Good morning, all. We talk about the natural wealth of India. In that, we discuss about the soil. Today, we will talk about the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means it is the plant cover that is found growing on its own in a vast area. मतलब जो कि ऐसे प्लांट जो अपने आप से विदाउट एनी ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस के अपने आप से उग जाते हैं, ग्रो करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन. इन दैट वी कैन बी क्लासिफाइड 5 टाइप ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन इंडिया. You can easily understand by the one chart I am showing you. These are the 5 type of the forest: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, scrub forest, mountain forest and tidal forest. The main important is tropical evergreen forest. As we can understand by the name, evergreen mean which is green evergreen mean they are green throughout the year. They mean they don't shed their leaves altogether in a particular season. We can find these type of the forests in the Western Ghat island groups of India, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and where we can receive heavy rainfall. If I will ask you what are the examples of the, so you can write mahogany, imboni, rosewood, rubber, cocoa, cinchona. These are the some variety of the trees found in this type of forest, tropical evergreen forest. Tropical deciduous forest, as we can understand by the name also, they shed their leaves in a particular season. Mean they are not mostly they are shedding their leaves in the summer season. Teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood, these are the some example of these trees are the those can be found in this type of forest. Shrub forest, which type of the forest found in the there the temperature is very high and the rainfall is very low. Xerophytics we can is the example of this. We can find this type of the forest in our Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana. In that we can see the example babool, cactus, kikar, which have the these are the some plant species which can be found in scrub forest, shrubs. Next is the mountain forest. Mountain forest is found in the Himalaya region, mountainy region में पाए जाते हैं. It is very tall and straight and has a conical shape. जैसे कोन की शेप होती है, ऊपर से पॉइंटेड होती है. You can be understand that type of the forest found here. मतलब नीचे से तो पेड़ घने होते हैं, ऊपर से नुकीले से होते हैं ताकि उनके ऊपर बर्फ ना ठहर सके, है ना. एंड दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द कॉनिफेरियस फॉरेस्ट. वी कैन फाइंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ट्रीज पाइन, देवदार and cheer, fir. These type of the trees are found here. Next is the tidal forest. Tidal forest is found in the river delta or the coastal plain areas. Like in that the main tree is the Sundari tree, and this tidal forest is also known as the mangrove forest. We can find the tidal forest in Ganga Brahmaputra deltas is the biggest tidal forest in the world, which is that is सुंदरबन. सुंदरबन डेल्टा, सुंदरबन के अंदर जो डेल्टा है उसमें इस टाइप के जो फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं. Now we can talk about the same as we have earlier done. Conservation of the forest and wildlife. Somewhere we have to conserve our forest. जब हम forest को बचाएंगे तभी हम अपनी वाइल्ड लाइफ को भी बचा सकते हैं. सुंदरबन is the home of the famous Royal Bengal tiger, and we can find the so many animals in the forest. If we are not protecting our forest, so we have lost our wildlife also. Different organizations are doing different work to conserve that. We are also doing for that. Natural the government is also setting up the natural parks, wildlife sanctuaries. We are also celebrating some festivals and the weeks for conserving the forest as well as endangered species of our animals.